Hello, this is Paul from Foresight Tech. In this video, I will show you how to find the standard deviation of a probability distribution using Excel. Excel does not provide a function for this job. We have to use the original formula to do the calculation by ourselves. Here's the question. We have a probability distribution x in the first rule, the corresponding probability on the second rule. And let's go over the formula first. This formula is for the population standard deviation, sigma. That's a square root of, inside the square root c, we have x minus mu square times px, all these product, and then add all together. What does this mean? So we have k, we have x, we have mu. So first k is the number of possible value of x. In our example, how many possible value of x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So k equals 5. X are the possible values of x, x1, x2 to xk. The value is in the first rule. Okay, px are the corresponding probabilities, which is the value on the second rule. And mu, so here mu is the mean of this probability distribution. The definition is the possible value times the corresponding probability added together, which is the sum of product of x and p, right? And then now we look at sigma. Okay, under the square root exactly is the similar. So dr for each term is a product, and then add all the product together, which is the sum of product of x minus mu squared and px, right? So we can use the sum product function provided in Excel to do this job. We need x and px, so let me put the data to find the mu first. Okay, so let me put x here, and let me put px here. Okay, what is x? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the corresponding probability, which is 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.2, and 0.1. Okay, so first let's find the mean. I put it here. The formula for mean is the sum of product of x and p, right? So that's the sum product of highlight x, comma, and px, highlight px, and then parentheses. That's the function, and then enter. So we have the mean here, and then we go to find the standard deviation. Let me use this standard deviation. Okay, put here. Now we cannot find it. We need to find x minus mu square first. So we need to add one more column. Okay, so put here. So let's add the column of x minus the mean, parentheses raised to the second power. I put it into this column. So how to do this job? Highlight this box. Okay, I will do at one time. Okay, and then equal. The formula is parentheses. X is here. Highlight. Then minus mean. Mean is the number 2, right? Click this box. Okay, and then parentheses. Now raise to the power of 2. Okay, so don't touch enter. We need to touch 3 keys at the same time, which is Control, Shift, and enter. Control, Shift, and enter. See, we get x minus the mean raised to the second power in this column. Okay, now the formula for the standard deviation, which is the sum product under the square root, is the sum product of this column and the px, right? Okay, now equals the sum product of this column, highlight, comma, and this column, parenthesis. Okay, so that's the formula. And I think I missed the square root, so let me put the square root at the beginning. SQRT is the function for square root, parenthesis. So at the end we have one more parenthesis. See, that's the function we can use. Square root of sum product of this column and this column. Okay, now int. What do we get? The standard deviation is here. That's all. Thank you.